Welcome inside China's Reborn doll factory, where lifelike baby dolls are created through an incredibly detailed process.
Today, we'll follow the full process from sculpture to a finished collector reborn doll.
This process blends sculpture, molding, painting, hair work, assembly, and luxury finishing.
Every reborn doll begins with an original sculpt designed by skilled artists.
The face is sculpted first because expression gives the doll its lifelike character. Artists check symmetry and expression from every angle.
Even small details like ears are carefully shaped by hand.
Hands and feet require tiny details to create realism. Once the parts are sculpted, the full doll proportion is checked.
Modern factories use 3D scanning to preserve the sculpt with precision. The sculpt is prepared carefully before mold making begins.
A master mold captures every wrinkle, curve, and tiny detail.
Once cured, the mold holds the exact shape of the original sculpt. Separate molds are created for the head, arms, legs, and body components. Vinyl material is mixed with base color before forming the doll parts. The material must have the right flow, color, and softness. The head mold is filled with measured material for an even shell.
Rotational casting forms hollow parts with consistent wall thickness.
Heat cures the material into durable, lifelike doll parts. After curing, the molds cool before parts are removed.
The newborn head shape is carefully released from the mold.
Each limb is handled gently to protect tiny details.
Trimming removes extra edges and prepares each part for finishing.
Small openings are cleaned so the parts can be assembled later. The parts are washed before any painting begins.
Drying prepares the surface for realistic skin painting. Now the blank doll parts enter the reborn painting room.
Realistic skin is built through many thin, translucent layers. Each layer is cured before the next layer is added.
Blush tones create warmth and natural softness. Delicate veining adds depth beneath the skin tone.
Creases and folds help make the doll look more lifelike.
The lips are built with color layers for a natural, soft appearance.
Tiny nails are finished by hand for realistic close-up detail.
Color matching ensures all parts belong to the same doll.
Final curing locks the painted layers into the vinyl surface. After curing, every painted surface is checked again. Some reborn dolls receive realistic glass eyes for an awake expression. Eye placement must be perfectly balanced to create a natural gaze.
Different designs create sleeping, awake, or custom expressions.
Hair rooting is one of the slowest and most detailed stages.
Each strand is placed carefully to imitate natural baby hair. The hairline must follow a natural growth pattern. Rooting can take many hours, depending on detail and density. After rooting, the hair is trimmed and styled softly. The rooted hair is sealed from inside for durability.
Tiny eyelashes add another layer of realism to the face.
The face is now nearly complete and ready for assembly.
Reborn dolls often use soft weighted cloth bodies for a realistic hold.
The body is sewn to support the head, arms, and legs. Weighting gives the doll a more natural feel when held.
The weight is balanced through the body for realistic handling. Arms and legs are attached securely while keeping natural movement.
The head is attached last, bringing the full doll together.
The assembled doll is checked for weight, movement, and comfort. Each doll has small differences that make it feel individually crafted. Quality control checks every visible and structural detail.
Lighting helps reveal tiny imperfections before final approval.
Final styling gives the hair a soft, newborn look.
Wardrobe styling adds personality to each finished doll.
The doll is dressed carefully to preserve paint, hair, and shape. Each finished doll is photographed before packaging.
Photographs document the craftsmanship and final appearance.
Digital records connect each doll with its production history.
Collector editions often include certificates and care information.
Premium packaging protects the doll and enhances the collector experience.
The finished doll is packed carefully to avoid damage during shipping.
Accessories and documents are added before the box is sealed.
The luxury box is protected inside a stronger shipping carton.
Finished dolls move into the warehouse for global delivery.
Automated warehouse systems organize orders quickly and accurately. Every package is scanned before leaving the factory.
In the showroom, the full transformation is displayed like collectible art.
The most detailed dolls can take many days of skilled work to complete. This is the complete journey from raw design to finished collector doll.
Each stage adds realism, craftsmanship, and collector value.
The artistry depends on patience, layering, and very small details.
Hair rooting remains one of the most time-intensive parts of production.
Weighting and assembly turn painted parts into a doll that feels complete.
Final approval confirms the doll is ready for collectors.
Luxury editions are presented as handcrafted collectible pieces.
Tiny hand-painted details are what create the illusion of realism. The face brings together sculpting, painting, hair, and finishing. Balanced weight makes the finished doll feel more natural to hold.
Behind every finished doll is a complete chain of specialized production stages.
Material testing helps ensure the dolls remain durable and stable.
Lighting tests help make the skin tones look realistic in different settings.